Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to send photos as snaps on Snapchat. Let's dive right in. First, find the Snapchat app on your mobile phone, and tap it to open. When the app opens, you'll be on the camera screen section of the app. To the left of the capture button, there's an icon resembling two cards. This is the Memories button. Tap it to view your saved snaps. In the Memories screen, you'll find all the photos and videos you've saved on Snapchat. Select the photo you want to send as a snap. After picking a photo, you can personalize it by adding text, stickers, or filters. Once you're satisfied with your edits, tap the blue Send button in the bottom right corner. Next, you'll see a screen where you can choose your recipients. Select individual friends or a group, then tap the blue Send button again. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching till next time.